Welcome back to Oven Foods. Today I'm making soft, flavorful homemade chicken pizza without an oven. Simple ingredients, easy steps, and a result just like restaurant style pizza. First take 110 ml warm water, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon yeast. Mix well and rest for 5 minutes. Warm water activates yeast instantly. Now take 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Make a soft dough. Rub some oil on top and keep aside for 40 minutes to rise. Now for the chicken topping. Add 1 cup chicken pieces, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, half teaspoon mixed herb, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce, and half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Heat 2 tablespoon oil. Now add the chicken pieces. Cook on high heat for 2 minutes. Then cover and cook for 5 to 6 minutes on medium-low heat until the water dry out. Now take the dough. Yeast dough becomes softer with proper resting time. Roll it out. And place it in a 6-inch oil grease mold lined with baking paper. Now spread the dough well. Apply tomato sauce around the edges. And fold to make a clean pizza crust. Prick the dough with a fork. Always prick the base for even cooking. Now add pizza sauce. A layer of mozzarella cheese. Add the cooked chicken. Onion, capsicum. Do not add too many watery vegetables, they soften the crust. And mozzarella cheese. Brush oil on the side and sprinkle chili flakes. Place a pan with a wire stand and preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Preheating the pan helps create an oven-like effect. Now set the pizza mold inside and cook for 20 to 25 minutes on medium-low heat until the cheese melts and the crust becomes soft and perfectly cooked. Homemade pizza lets you control every ingredient. Pizza cook on the stove top can taste just like a wood-fired one. Chicken toppings cook faster and hold flavor beautifully. Homemade pizza avoid preservatives. Chicken provides lean protein. Using less oil keeps it lighter. Adding veggies boosts fiber and vitamins. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like, comment, follow and subscribe for more delicious homemade foods from Enoven Foods.